Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to search the Columbia College Chicago Library for videos, including feature films, movies, and documentaries. We offer videos in a variety of formats, including DVD, Blu-ray, and online or streaming. To begin, you will go to the library homepage, which is library.colum.edu. Using the main search box in the middle of the page, we're going to change the drop-down options from everything to video. In the search box, you can search for a video or film by title, subject, director, or actor. In my sample search, I'm going to look up a film by title. I'm looking for the film Moonlight. On the search results page, I will only find results in the video format. However, these could be things available online or available at the Columbia College Chicago Library Media Collection, which would include DVD or Blu-ray formats. If you are only interested in an online or streaming version of a film, under Availability on the left-hand side of the screen, you're going to select Available Online. That will limit your results to only those films that are available for streaming. In this case, there is a version of the film Moonlight that is available online. I'm going to click on the title. This is going to give me more information about the film. Under the View Online section, I will find a link to the film. These links are often labeled with the name of the database that the film comes from. However, you do not need to remember which database or resource we get the films from. Just know that this link should take you to where you can view the film online. So when I click on the link, it's going to take me into the Canopy database where I can begin to play the film Moonlight. An important note is that any video or film that the library offers can be found in this search that I just showed you. You can think of this as a portal to all the different video databases that we license, so you do not have to hunt for videos in multiple places. You can check to see if a film is available directly from this one search. There is one exception, and that is that you may do a search for a video and find a listing for the film in our search results, but when you click on that link, you'll find that we do not yet have access to the film. This is for an online or streaming format of the film. I'll show you an example. I'm going to do a new search. And in my new search, I'm going to look for the film Dior and I. This film shows up as the top search result, so I'm going to click on it. And then under View Online, I have a link to where it is found in our Canopy database. However, when I get to the page where I would normally be able to play the film, I get a message that Columbia College Chicago doesn't offer this film right now. That's because we have not yet licensed this film, but it is available for us to license. And we can do that pretty quickly. You just need to fill out this form with your name, Columbia email address, and what course you need the film for. You'll let us know if you're faculty or student and how you will be using this film. As long as your request is related to a course, it's needed for view by students in a particular course, then we almost always just go ahead and license that film for you, and it would be available within 1 to 2 business days after you complete this form. So just make sure you hit Request Access at the bottom of the form, and then library staff will receive your request and go ahead and license a copy of this film for streaming or viewing online. Additionally, I want you to know that if you search for a film and it is not found in the search results, or if we only have it as a DVD and you need a streaming version, you can request that the library purchase or license a copy by completing our Request a Purchase form. This is found on the library homepage. In the Quick Links, the Quick Links menu is found under the main search, and you'll see a link there for Request a Purchase. So this is a short form that you would complete in order to request that we purchase a particular video or film for your course. Or, as always, you can contact a librarian if you have any questions, and you'll use the Ask a Librarian chat or email, which is always available at the top of the library website.